Hi there, how are you doing? I hope you sail in same boat. My name is Rohit Sharma and this is bahudhanya.blogspot.com and YouTube channel also. Thanks so much to all for you watching on YouTube and make sure to subscribe on YouTube channel so that you can easily access my all videos for your exam preparation. Today I am here bring a new first video for SSSC MTS part 1 multitasking paper and also for Chandigarh Police. Now without wasting your time I am going to start it. Uh, Now look there, here is a 10 question again. The first question is vultures are found to be living in every part of world except options are Australia, Antarctica, China, Hong Kong, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Poland and France. The answer of this question is Australia and Antarctica. Only Australia and Antarctica is that place where vultures are not found. Find it. Okay. Next question, 12th, second question. This year, Earth hours was observed in dash month. Options 26 April, 7 May, 25 March, 16 March. So answer of this question is 25 March. Now I describe to this Earth hours day. It's a very important topic for exam relevant. So Earth hours organized by WWF means Worldwide for Nature. According to this, people turn off light for 1 hour from 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. every year of the last Saturday of March, and this year Earth hours was absorbed in 25 March. I hope it's this the Earth hours is clear. Next, an adult common housefly's lifespan is around dash day in summer. Adult common flies that who live around our houses mostly. You can see that easily. The answer options are 14 days, 21 days, 7 days, 13 days. So the lifespan of a common housefly is 21 day, and this is in summer. But in winter it live more little as more bigger as compared to summer. Next, fourth question. Vesak day related to which religious? Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism या Hinduism? Vesak day. Actually, Vesak day is related to Buddhism. This is a Buddhist festival, and this year it held in capital of Sri Lanka, that is Colombo, and it will be celebrate 12 May to 14 May, and this festival make occasion of Buddhism Buddha birthday day. Okay. Next, fifth question. The राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा परियोजना RMSA launched in the राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा परियोजना launched in 2014, 2012, 2016, 2002. So this scheme is launched in 2012. Now I give more information about this. This scheme launched by a central government in 2012 for encourage girls to pursue the study and provide hostel facility and food meals also. Next, in which following spacecraft have visited in Mercury? Juno, Skylab, Messenger, Deep Space first. So answer of this question is Messenger. So far only 2 space shuttles has visited at Mercury. Firstly, the name of this space shuttle is Mariner 10 in 1970 and Messenger, which was launched in 2004. This is the second. Seventh question. Which country was the 2016 Asian Men's Hockey Championship trophy? Pakistan, Russia, Australia, India. India of this answer of this question. Next, eighth. Which European country shares its border with seven countries? Spain, Greece, France, Poland. Poland is the exact answer of this question. Poland shares a border with seven countries. Okay. Ninth question. The Pandava prince Bhima found employment as a cook in King Dash kitchen when uh, Pandavs exiled for a few years. Then Bhima did a job as a chef in which Raja's kitchen? The option is King Sadhona, King Virata, King Dhananjay, या King Bhimsar. King Virata's kitchen. Bhima did a job as a chef. Next, last question. What is name of the youngest president of France? Malcolm Turnbull, Emmanuel Macron, Marine Le Pen, and Justin Trudeau. Uh, Now I want to clear for all four options which is related to which country. Malcolm Turnbull is related to Australia, and he just last month ago come in India. Next, Emmanuel Macron is the right answer. He is the youngest president of France. This question is important for Chandigarh exam point of view because the Chandigarh's architecture Chandigarh's who make by architecture Lee Corpo is also related to France, so it's the most important. Next, Marine Le Pen is a first runner for the this year's election, and Justin Trudeau from the Canada. Now the answer of this question is Emmanuel Macron. I hope all 10 questions you have easily understand and clear also. If you like these questions, then please share it and like it and comment also. Now I again in next video try to give more questions in front of you. So now I end to this video. Bye bye and thank you.